In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a threshold effect in Canva without Canva Pro. For this tutorial, I'll be using this picture of a dog. To make the threshold effect, you're going to want to select your image, go to Edit, then go to Adjust. Here, we're going to want to crank down the saturation to -100. This will make our image grayscale. And from here, we're going to adjust the threshold by using the light category. Set your brightness to 100, your contrast to 100, your shadows to -100, and for your whites and blacks, you can adjust it however much you want, depending on how much color you want in your final threshold image. So if I want more white and less black, I'd increase the white and decrease the black. But if I want vice versa, more color and less white, I want to increase my black and decrease my white. I think this is pretty good for me. As you can see, if you have a background, the threshold effect doesn't look great because there's still all this white. So to fix that, we're going to want to click Edit again and go to Tracer. In the tracer, we're going to want to select black and white. This will make it monochrome, and just click Trace Image. From here, we can actually adjust the threshold. Adjusting your threshold gives it more color or less color. Once you have something you like, just click Add to Design. We can delete our image. And here's the threshold. We can also adjust the color. And that's how you make a threshold effect in Canva. Thanks for watching.